Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the addition of additions puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The addition of additions puzzle was made using two different types of wood, babinga and oak. The goal of the puzzle is to make a 3x3x3 cube, but that's not the only goal of the puzzle, since it comes with 12 extra challenges and you can make any of 12 shapes using 6 parts. The number below the shape shows the number of possible solutions. Some of the shapes have only one solution, some of them have more than one possible solutions. But this puzzle is quite challenging even to assemble the 3x3x3 cube, since some of the parts have a very difficult shape, like this one and for example this one. And when puzzle comes with such pieces, I always know that it will be something really challenging to solve, since it's not easy to put these two parts together and make a 3x3x3 shape. And when you try to assemble extra challenges, it will give you a lot of hard time as well. This puzzle comes with a box, and when you solved it or you're done playing with the puzzle for today, since you probably will spend days playing with this puzzle to complete all challenges, so you can put all parts back into the box, lock it so that you don't lose any of the pieces. If you like the addition of additions puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, at least one of the solutions of the puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to make a 3x3 cube so that you can easily pack it back inside the box. I'm not going to show you all possible solutions of other 12 shapes, since it will be too long and the video will be very boring, but I'll show you how to make a 3x3 cube. So I'll start with this piece, then I grab this part and put it right here. Actually, I have to use another piece, this one I guess. No, definitely not this one. I'll do this piece, then I grab this part and I put it on top right here. As you can see, we have a space for a small piece that goes here. Then if you flip everything, you can actually put everything inside the box now. And you will find that I did something wrong and I have to start over, since I'm not going to be able to fit the last two parts. Okay, let's try again. I'll put this piece here. Then maybe I have to deal with this piece now. So this part goes with this one like that. Then you add this piece on top. We have a space for a small piece right here. Now when you flip the shape, you will find that you can put this piece here and the last one goes on top. When you know the solution, it looks quite easy, but believe me, if you try to solve it, and probably you tried to solve it and you didn't succeed, and that's why you're watching this video. So now you can put the pieces back to a 3x3x3 cube. And you can put everything back inside the frame, inside the box, and lock it, and you don't lose any of the parts. That was the solution of the addition of additions puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Alexander Majoric or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.